7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is just going to be an unboxing of the DJI smart controller. Just picked this up, and right here I have the DJI Mavic Air 2 right here. But this video is just going to be an unboxing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I have to invest in a unboxing knife, if you will. But let's go ahead and get into this. Okay. It definitely feels solid. Take that on off. Put that to the side. Wow, this definitely feels solid. Your antenna, got your joysticks right there. That's a neat place to put them. Got your speaker, nice size screen. Guess that's your return to home button. I also picked up a carrying strap for this too, like a neck strap. This is going to go in here. Screw these in here. Like so. But get the idea with that. And this one goes in there. And the other screw that right in there. I'll do that later. Let's just get back to the actual smart controller. Pretty nice. Got your USB Type-C right there. Well, this has just been an unboxing. Well, it's not finished yet. Wow, let me see what's in here. Extra joysticks right here. And you got your charging cable. Anything else in here? Instruction manuals. Who reads these, really? Make sure nothing else is hiding in here. Yeah, it just comes with this. It doesn't come with any, I just have to use my own charger. Oh, one more thing. Oh man, stuff, don't you hate when stuff is like hiding? Let me see what else is in here. Something else is in this box in the bottom of. And my bad, I stand corrected. It does come with a charger. Good. I'm glad it does. Great. Yes. Now I don't have to worry about finding a correct one. I have it right here. Perfect. Great DJI. Okay. Let me double check. Nothing else in here. That's it. Well, this has just been an unboxing of the DJI Smart Controller. I'm going to be pairing this with the Mavic Air 2 here. Look for a video with that. Until then, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.
Oh, this you crazy mother.